Everyone, please come here for a minute.
What is it, Emma?
I want to show everyone my report card.
Tom, what grade did you get?
Oh, Tom, you got an A+.
That is wonderful. I am very proud of you.
Thank you, Dad. I studied very hard. This is a gift for you.
Open it, Tom.
A laptop! I cannot believe it! Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
Wow, the laptop is so nice. My report card is here too. Maybe I will get a big gift too.
Let me see, Lily.
Oh, Lily, this is a C.
This grade is not very good.
I am sorry, Dad. But do I have a gift?
Yes, you have a small gift.
An alarm clock? Why is it this?
Lily, you sleep too much.
You also play games for too long.
You need to learn the value of time.
This clock will help you wake up on time.
I do not like this gift. I hate this clock. Lily, do not be sad. Do not talk to me. You have a laptop now. You do not understand. Mom and Dad only love you. That is not true, Lily. You just want to show off.
Lily, you should not talk to your brother like that.
Please sit down and eat breakfast.
I am not hungry. I am going to my room.
Maybe that gift hurt her heart.
I love Lily too. But she needs to learn this lesson. Life needs effort.
I understand. I just do not want her to feel left out.
They do not hate me? So this is a lesson? But why is studying so hard? Lily, can I come in? No. Go away! I just want to talk for 1 minute. Are you here to say you are smarter than me? But I always feel behind you. You are not behind me. You just learn in a different way. I try, but I still get things wrong. Being wrong does not mean you are not smart. It only means you need more time. Will you really help me? Of course. We are a team. You can use my laptop to study. After my bad words, you still want to help me? Yes, because I love you. I am sorry, Tom. I was jealous, and I said wrong things. It is okay. The important thing is you start trying. Okay, let us start today. Yes, step by step. Lily, let us start with something easy. I am a little scared. It is okay. If you are wrong, you learn again. Is the answer 12? Yes! You got it! Really? I got it right! I knew you could do it. Studying is a little fun now. But I am so tired. I want to sleep more. No. I have to wake up.
Good morning, Lily. You woke up early today.
Yes, Mom. I want to study before school.
I am happy to hear that.
I do not understand this part. It is okay. We will break it into small steps. Step by step. That is right. Step by step.
You two are studying so hard.
I am proud of both of you.
The clock helps me more than I thought. It reminds me to use time better.
Lily, how was your test today?
I am a little nervous.
It is okay. Just show us.
Here it is.
Ethan, look at this.
Lily got an N.A.
I really did it? You did it, Lily!
I am so proud of you.
You really worked hard.
This time, I did not give up.
Lily, this is a gift for you.
A laptop? Yes, you earned it.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. Tom, thank you for not giving up on me.
You are the one who worked hard. I only helped a little.
Now I understand. Gifts really come from effort.
That is right, Lily.
And the clock was my first real gift.
Really? The clock?
Yes. At first, I hated it. I thought it was a punishment. But now I know it was a lesson. It taught me the value of time.
I am glad you understand that.
The laptop is nice, but your effort is better.
I will keep studying hard.
We are proud of Tom and Lily.
Our family always helps each other become better.
We are a team. Yes, a real team.
Today's lesson is, time is precious, and effort can change everything.